Today we are going to discuss about the operation of inert gas system on board ship. The term purging is used in this manual. That is the IG manual is there, mean the introduction of inert gas into a cargo tank with the object of reducing the hydrocarbon content and or further reducing the oxygen content. That is, both the hydrocarbon and oxygen is reduced in the tank. The purging is carried out in two methods. One is dilution method and one is displacement method. In dilution method means the forced mixing with the high velocity injected of IG on a vessel which is not fitted with purge pipe in cargo tanks. This method is applied, and in this case, the tank atmosphere is diluted by inert gas, and diluted gases are emitted to atmosphere. That means the more it is diluted, and slowly the hydrocarbon and oxygen concentration reduces, and the mixed vapor is gone out, and inert gas replaces the volume. So, in generally, the if you replace the volume by 3 times by Ig, uh, the tank is almost full with the inert gas, and hydrocarbon and oxygen is reduced to 3 to 5%. Now we discuss about the displacement method. Displacement method means changing of the tank atmosphere by utilization of density difference between the inert gas, hydrocarbon gas, and fresh air. When a vessel is fitted with purge pipe in cargo tanks, say this is the purge pipe and it is connected until the bottom of the tank. So, when the IG is ingressed in the tank, the time it goes down, but uh, the IG rate of ingress is kept in a limited rate so that it is not diluted, and from the bottom part the hydrocarbon gas is gone out to the atmosphere through the purge pipe. So it's written on a vessel fitted purge pipe in cargo tanks. This method applies. In this case, IG being supplied should be kept at proper velocity to minimize forced mixing in cargo tanks. So in the cargo tanks, it should not be forced mixing. Gases are emitted to the atmosphere through the purge pipe. The tank atmosphere is therefore displaced by inert gas.